Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Zoe and I'm back once again with another video. As y'all can see by the title of this video, I'm going to be giving myself faux locks for the very first time. I got the hair off of Amazon. I was like, you know what, this is my postpartum hair. I still need my hair done, but the braids were old, so I had to take those down. And I said, you know what, I'm gonna give myself some faux locks and we're gonna see how this goes. It should go pretty well. You know, I'm pretty experienced in the hair field, so we're gonna try this out. So just sit back and relax and watch me work. Now, I probably will not sit here and record myself doing my entire hairstyle because that's just going to be entirely way too long, but I will show you guys the most important parts of it and then slow it down and all that stuff so y'all can really see what I'm doing. So if y'all want to get into this hair, let's go ahead and get started. Alright y'all, so the first thing that I'm doing here is just detangling this entire section. I just want this section entirely detangled, that way I can just keep going as I part. If you wait and do this like as you part, I'm pretty sure it's fine, but I just like parting and, you know, going right through it like smooth. And then I'm putting the Evan 24-hour hold edge control on my edges just to smooth everything down. But throughout my entire head, I use the red jam. I don't know what it's called, so I'm going to put it on the screen here for y'all so y'all can see it. And then this is just what I'm using on all of my parts, just to make sure everything is nice and clean for the girls. Alright, so once I go ahead and get the part exactly how I want it to look, get my edge nice and laid how I like it, I'm going to begin the braid with the soft lock. So first, I'm starting it out as a regular plait. I'm keeping my fingers close to my head and I'm only going to braid it down like 2 to 3 times before I add in the soft lock hair. I'm just going to split my hair into 2 sections, which you're going to see. And then I'm going to take the soft lock and use it as my third piece. And then I'm just going to braid it down all the way. Now, as y'all can clearly see, I probably braided this down like 6 or 7 times, which is fine. I do it different in different parts of my head. But literally, I'm just taking that loop and I'm using my 2 sections of my real hair and I'm just gonna braid it on down. Ain't nothing fancy or special about this. We are just braiding our hair. Okay, so after I braided my natural hair down in with the soft lock, you really want to make sure that you're braiding it down as much as you can go. So like keep braiding until you just can't braid no more because it makes the next step 10 times easier. Trust what I tell you. Okay, now you're going to just line your spring twist hair up at the base of your braid. You do want to make sure you keep a longer half for the half that you're like wrapping around your braid, in case you need that extra length of the spring twist hair. And you're just gonna literally wrap it around. Right at the root of the braid, I actually wrapped it around itself 2 to 3 times, but then as I go down, I'm spacing out my wrap a little bit just to keep the braid flowing and not so stiff. I contemplate how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think.
lesson learned how not to break down and stop it. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact. I'll be grown now, baby. I can't let it slip away. I drift away, can go to waste, go to waste. I say it's
Okay, so once I get to the bottom of the soft lock, I'm just going to take the piece of hair, wrap it around, make a loop, and just make a little knot. And then sometimes I'll take that little piece of hair that's remaining and I'll either just trim it off or wrap it even tighter around the soft lock, just so that way the soft lock does not become unraveled and, you know, the whole thing gets messed up.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked it. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe. Usually I don't do this often, but since recruiting isn't an option due to unusual rain and thunder, baby, I wonder, put your sweats on for me. Yeah. I got the plug, I made the call for me. I'm talking late night for ya. Let me lay a great time on ya. Don't hesitate, no, don't you? Just say you will. Come through and chill. Just say you will. Come through and chill.
with you tonight is on an island. It's about time for making up. Times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you feel said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Take you there, won't you? Fill me up till my cup's overflowing. I'm so anxious just to feel the silence. It's so quiet, but I hear you saying to me, baby. It's about time we're making up time. The times you wasn't with me waking up. Now you never said I couldn't miss your touch. I needed to distance myself from you. Oh, just to know you want you. So come close, won't you? Can I tell you something for what it's worth? We can have this place on earth. Take you there, take you. Show you something, give you more than words. We can have this place on earth. Take you there, take you there. Please be don't just be nothing you be that. I want you to give it to me, yeah. Please be don't just be nothing you be that. I want you to give it to me, yeah.
Trapping like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, take out, no monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna, bouncing nothing, I'm trying to weep an anaconda, jumping in the water, trying to slip across the water, glass, see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald, out, bag of money, knew I gotta have it, savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali, Atlantic, nigga jaw, I don't know if he'll talk. Get a chainsaw and I'ma saw our legs off. They know that we're a gang, but they say that we're a ring. Investigating, taking pictures of the whole team. Undercover trying to do his thing. 10 mil on a plane, going straight to military. Trapping like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Hey. Cold gang with the cocaine. The more money make more rain. Pouring up a paint while I'm back in propane. Point blank range, give a nigga nose range. Skip to my Lou with the pack and the cat. Jiffy, Lou with the bricks, where they at? Drippin', ooze, the paddock all wet. Birds in the truck, they ain't leaving at the nest. Get pie face set like milk. Yup, running with the pack, got slipped. Hands in the cookie jar, cut his finger off. Nigga being greedy, we gon' cut his tummy out. 100 bricks on the road, took a couple routes. Flush mama house, Hermes and Philly couch. I ain't really with the razzle dazzle. Knock him out, but then I throw him off the boat paddle. Go to Tijuana, put the kilo on the saddle. Sack him, hit a lick and cop a pterodactyl. Pap him, chop a bite down like an apple. Match it with the acres, with the horses in the cattle. Like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Cut throat like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco. On the north got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato.
Damn, Zeus, you too cold, bruh. What you doing?
Let's take this overboard now. I want you to
Feel that heat, and we can ride the boogie. Share that beat of love. I wanna
ride the work it in the middle.
I wanna
Ride the work it in the middle. Work it in the middle. Ooh, baby.
Do you remember that one night when we fell in love? What we had felt so right, 'cause we had trust. Now it's drowning in our lives. I know we're broken up, you know the feelings deep inside. So you, what we've been through, I miss you. And you
baby so cute. Okay, you guys, so here is the final look of my hair. I just pulled it back a little bit because I thought it was, you know, giving more of, hey girl. But anyway, yeah, I really like the way that this hairstyle came out. I feel like the method that I used was extremely helpful, and I will definitely link the video to the girl whose method I got this. Y'all, I can't fucking talk. But like I said, I will definitely link in the description down below the video that I used to do this hairstyle. But yeah, I really like it. I think it came out real cute. And I'm on my knees right now, so don't judge me. But this hair comes down to about my waist. Yeah. But overall, like I said, I just think it's really cute. And if you are someone who is just trying out their faux locks for the first time, I would 100% 10 out of 10 recommend to go ahead and try this method. It's super easy. The hair wasn't even that expensive. So girl, go ahead and order your hair and do your hair at home. What are you paying over $100 and some for? Okay? Do it yourself. But yeah. But alright, y'all, I gotta go tend to my child and do some more mommy things. So I love you guys and thanks so much for watching. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I love you guys.